The age of artificial intelligence isn't a distant fantasy. It's the present-day frontier of wealth creation. Forget outdated business models and saturated markets. In 2025, AI offers an unprecedented toolkit to build $1 million income. And we're not just talking about Silicon Valley insiders. This is for creators, innovators, and anyone with the drive to harness this transformative technology. We're cutting through the noise and diving deep into concrete strategies, real-world AI tools, and the actionable steps you can take today to architect your financial future. Get ready to unlock the $1 million potential of AI. Welcome to Money Matters. I'm John, and my goal is to empower you with financial knowledge. Introduction. The AI revolution is no longer a trickle. It's a tidal wave reshaping industries and creating entirely new economic landscapes. The barrier to entry for leveraging sophisticated AI capabilities has plummeted, thanks to platforms offering intuitive interfaces and powerful APIs. From generating realistic images and crafting compelling text to analyzing complex datasets and automating intricate workflows, AI tools are democratizing innovation. This isn't just about automating mundane tasks. It's about augmenting human creativity and intelligence, enabling individuals and small teams to achieve outputs previously only possible for large corporations. This video is your comprehensive guide to understanding this paradigm shift and strategically positioning yourself to ride the AI wave towards significant financial success. Method 1. Content remains the lifeblood of the digital economy, and AI is empowering individuals to become hyper-efficient content factories. Imagine a scenario where you can generate multiple high-quality blog posts, social media updates, and even video scripts in a fraction of the time it would traditionally take. AI writing assistants like Jasper and Copy.ai excel at crafting compelling marketing copy, engaging articles, and even entire ebooks. AI image generators like Midjourney and DALL-E 3 allow you to create stunning original visuals for your content, eliminating the need for expensive stock photos or graphic designers for many tasks. AI video editing tools like Pictory and Descript can automate tedious editing processes, saving you countless hours. By strategically combining these tools and automating your content creation and distribution workflow through platforms like Buffer or Hootsuite, you can build a massive content library, attract a large audience, and monetize through advertising, affiliate marketing, selling digital products, or building a thriving community around your AI-powered content empire. The key is to focus on a specific niche and consistently deliver valuable, AI-enhanced content. Method 2. Software as a service, particularly when infused with the power of AI, presents a significant pathway to recurring revenue and million-dollar valuations. Instead of broad, generic software, focus on identifying niche problems within specific industries or for particular user segments that can be elegantly solved with AI. Consider areas where automation, personalization, or prediction can provide significant value. For instance, an AI-powered tool that analyzes legal documents for key insights, a platform that generates personalized fitness and nutrition plans based on user data, or an AI-driven market research tool that provides real-time competitive analysis. While developing an AI SaaS product requires technical expertise, either your own or through strategic partnerships, the recurring subscription model and the ability to scale to a global audience make this a highly lucrative avenue. Start small, validate your idea with a minimum viable product, MVP, and iterate based on user feedback. The key is to solve a real problem with a compelling AI-powered solution. Method 3. The landscape of e-commerce is being fundamentally transformed by AI. Gone are the days of generic product recommendations and static pricing. Today, AI tools allow you to create highly personalized and dynamic shopping experiences. Implement AI-powered product recommendation engines to suggest relevant items to individual shoppers, significantly increasing average order value. Utilize AI algorithms to dynamically adjust pricing based on demand, competitor pricing, and even individual customer behavior, maximizing profitability. Automate customer service with sophisticated AI chatbots that can handle a wide range of inquiries, freeing up your time and improving customer satisfaction. Leverage AI-driven marketing platforms to precisely target your ideal customers with personalized ads and offers, dramatically improving conversion rates and reducing marketing spend. By integrating AI across your e-commerce operations, from product discovery to customer support, you can create a highly efficient and profitable online business capable of generating substantial revenue. Method 4. For skilled professionals, AI isn't about replacing you. It's about supercharging your capabilities and scaling your reach. Imagine a freelance coder using AI to generate code more efficiently, allowing them to take on more projects. A marketing consultant leveraging AI-powered analytics to provide deeper insights and more effective strategies to clients. A legal consultant using AI to expedite research and document review, allowing them to handle a larger caseload. By integrating AI tools into your freelancing or consulting workflow, you can deliver higher quality work in less time, take on more clients, and command premium rates for your AI-enhanced expertise. This allows you to break free from the limitations of billable hours and significantly increase your earning potential, putting you on a faster track to that million-dollar goal. Method 5. Looking beyond individual services, consider the immense potential of building intelligent online communities or platforms that leverage AI to enhance user experience and engagement. Think of a niche social network where AI algorithms personalize content feeds based on user interests, leading to higher engagement and retention. Imagine a professional networking platform that uses AI to intelligently connect members with relevant opportunities and collaborators. Or an online learning platform that uses AI to create personalized learning paths for each student, maximizing learning outcomes. By building valuable AI-driven platforms, you can attract a large and engaged user base, monetizing through subscriptions, premium features, targeted advertising, or by offering valuable data insights. The network effects of a thriving online community, combined with the intelligent capabilities of AI, can create a powerful engine for long-term, scalable revenue generation. Key considerations for AI-driven success. The AI landscape is dynamic and constantly evolving. To truly succeed in this space, a commitment to continuous learning is paramount. Stay updated on the latest advancements, explore new tools, and adapt your strategies accordingly. Furthermore, ethical considerations surrounding AI are crucial. Ensure your AI applications are fair, transparent, and respect user privacy. Remember that AI is a powerful tool, and human oversight and creativity remain essential for building truly valuable and sustainable businesses. Embrace experimentation, be resilient in the face of challenges, and always focus on delivering genuine value to your target audience. Conclusion. The opportunity to achieve $1 million income by leveraging the power of AI in 2025 is not a futuristic fantasy. It's a tangible reality for those who are willing to learn, adapt, and strategically apply these transformative tools. By embracing these proven methods, focusing on creating real value, and committing to continuous learning, you can position yourself at the forefront of this exciting new era of wealth creation. The future is intelligent, and your financial success can be too. Subscribe for more in-depth strategies on leveraging AI and building your financial empire in the age of artificial intelligence. Want to make money while you sleep? Click the card on the top right to learn how. Don't miss out on this chance to learn the secret to financial freedom. Thanks for watching.